primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, doing practical home economics. And this is the preparation of pancake. So, as you can see, we are in progress. Pancake is in progress. You look at the basket, you have the already prepared one. On the fire here, you have the yummy pancake.
Already though.
So, it's sometimes we do prepare so many things that has to do with flour. As far as home economics is concerned, we do not only deal on academic aspects, we teach them how to take care of their homes, morals, and every other thing. Like today, as you can see, we are on practical home economics, preparation of pancake. So that is how you see.
Okay, so this is like that.
These are the pupils of Holy Trinity Nursery Primary in practical class.
The senior
This is so delicious. If you test this, you will know this is.
yummy.
So as I've just finished, when we finish preparing this, they will go home and ask their parents to give them the ingredients for pancake preparation, and they are going to prepare it for their own family. One of the Saturdays they prepare it and they have it as breakfast. Am I right, children?
Yes, madam.
All right. So that is it.
Wow. What's your
Children, do you enjoy your practical aspects?
Yes, madam.
All right. So when you go home, you need to prepare it for your own family. To let them know that it's not only books that we are after. You are also learning how to bake, how to prepare other things. You can do this and make money from it.